guys, welcome back to the channel. jdevinci here with you guys, this is a wig from Beauty Forever. You guys, I did a hairstyle. You guys know I like my little mane. I just like to wear it out because I'm a little lazy, but I decided to do a little Spice Girl Rocky World hairstyle, and I am absolutely loving this hair. For all my queens out there who want to try some color for the summer, here for it, because I have a lot of black wigs coming up, but I'm always here for a good color pop of color. It just makes my day. I hope you guys enjoy this super easy, beginner friendly wig install. I use spray glue. Recently I haven't been using like my actual glue, so I use spray glue, and I was able to achieve this little no baby hair kind of moment. Absolutely love. Let's just hop straight into it. This is what the hair looks like straight out of the package. Okay, we're gonna just start off by putting this wig on her head. This hair is from Beauty Forever hair. Straight out of the package, this is what the hair looks like. It should be about 22 inches. I did bleach the knots, even though, you guys, you don't need to bleach these knots. It's a blonde wig, but I did notice that there were a little bit of black knots in there. But this is what the hair looks like. Just on my head. I did not pluck the hairline, I just kept it as is. I am going to be spraying this glue on my hair. I found that this is just the best glue, especially for super, I'm gonna look at my eyelashes, especially for super fast installs that you want to last all day. I find that this works best, so let's just get into it. So I just concentrate the spray right above my hairline, okay? And this comes off with water, so do be sure to submerge your edges line in water and you're gonna be fine. Okay, so I'm just looking off the mirror. Pull this one up. Eyelashes. Get your elastic band. I used to not take the time to do these additional steps, but I feel like these steps make or break your installs, okay? So just take the small time, do it. The longer you let this rest, the better. I'm just going to simply let it dry. I told you guys it dries really fast. It hasn't really been any time. So far, it looks really good. We cut one in the middle, cut one off to the, ouch! So kind of try to keep that hair back. I'm gonna do the other side off camera because that was hard. Okay, so last time I made a mistake and I didn't respray my edges with this. I sprayed my edges with the Got to Glee. That was a mess. I'm going to go back in with this and just briefly spot touch some of the areas, and then I'm going to put my back on, and then I am actually going to style it today. I want to do a cute little style, something out of the ordinary that I normally don't do. As we let this marinate in, I'm gonna show you guys what came in the box. So this is how the box looks. It says Beauty Forever. The hair did come in this nice dust bag, and the hair was packaged in this little hair package. The hair was in this plastic bag. It doesn't have like any of the wig specs on it. A wig cap, and then you also get a little bag, another wig cap, and then you get a nice little paisley scarf. Let me show you. Give us a cute little scarf. Some clips. I always tell you guys, I like when companies give you that extra aspect, because some companies just put it in a dust bag and send it to you and that's it. So I like when companies give you more bang for your buck. I don't really want to mess things up. Around the sides is giving more like T-part, even though it's not a T-part. It's like a lace front. It's not a lace frontal, but it does have parting space on the side for you to swoosh baby hairs if you like. So you have about this much parting space on both sides, and part stops about right here. So it's a, I would say a 13 by 4, and then on the side, like about that wide. Okay, this is what the scalp looks like. I think it looks really good. You could either keep it super natural, which looks like this. On an everyday occasion, this is probably how I would wear the hair, but today I'm going to style it. Might be too we're gonna see. Like I said, I don't be doing this. And I'm gonna just kind of like roll it. And just keep rolling it. Okay, so we're gonna just braid it. I can't even see, so I'm gonna just braid it. So I actually ended up just putting the baby hairs up and keeping the ones on the side because you don't really even see it. We are going to just run our fingers through the back. So you guys, this is how the hair turned out. My husband absolutely loves it. He said, oh yeah, you're keeping that wig. I said, well, duh. But I absolutely love this hair. I think it's super cute. I genuinely love this hair color. Like when I say it's the perfect balance between like a brown and your highlights of blonde, I think that this color suits all complexions. My dark skinned queens out there, if you guys are interested in a beautiful color wig, you guys will absolutely love this. I do not know if they have different levels of density because this hair is not as full as I normally like my hair to be. But what I would do to just fix that problem is just give it a little tease. And yes, I think that this is gorgeous. It's making me feel very posh, very spice girly, and I am definitely here for it. So I decided to just do something a little different, give it a little updo that I normally wouldn't do. I think that these braids in the front really set the tone and the vibe for the summer. I love it. The knots did bleach easily. Like I said, I did bleach the knots, and I bleach every knot on every wig that I ever get because I just think that if you're going to go the route of gluing your hair down and attempting to making it look as natural as possible, you might as well bleach your knots. If you guys need a tutorial on how I bleach my knots, I can show it to you guys because I've learned, like I've been doing something different. And for me, I've been making my batter a little thicker because I did notice that I would have over processed or more bleach knots than I want when my liquid was too drainy like cake batter. So I've been making it super thick, and I feel like that has been helping me so much. Wig is beautiful. It's comfortable. It's definitely big head friendly if you have that, and it's small head friendly if you have that. So I love it. So far I haven't experienced any shedding or any tangling. When I did wash it, I did use a bit of purple shampoo, so if it looks a bit more toned, that is why. What I do want to do next time I am to wash it is to add a little bit more highlights. So I want this hair to be a little more blonde, but I think it's so cute. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to the channel, and I'll catch you guys in my next one. Bye.
If another motherfucking bitch try to try me, they gon' have to find me. They gon' be on an IV. I'ma have them on the run like jdevinci.